my sweet friends, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you consider subscribing. Well, I'm back today with another Dollar Tree haul. I am so addicted to the Dollar Tree. I just can't even begin to say just how addicted that I am. All right, so let me show you some things that I found. Now, I saw these once before and I passed them by, and then I got, oh, why did you do it? I found them again. The vintage Valentine signs. Are these not adorable? I love that little dog, you and me. Look how cute he is. I'm loving the retro look. I think a lot of people really are. And then look at this, the little cherub. Be my Valentine. They also had like a camper. No, I think it was a truck. They had some other things, but I don't remember what they were. But these were just too cute to pass up. They would be beautiful if you wanted to put them down in a gift basket and tie balloons on the top. So much you could do with it, or you could put them in your yard. But I love these. These are so adorable. $1.25. Okay. Then I was in there in the Sol de Janeiro, the body spray, Paradise Breeze. Oh my gosh, I love it. Notes of black, amber, plum, and vanilla woods. Dye-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, and vegan. I love this. For the woman who craves fresh days and fiery nights. I love this. You get 3.5 ounces. It is a wonderful dupe, and I love it. I've tried it. I could spray it all over me. You just smell delicious. $1.25. I don't know. Then I found and these are the 3.5 ounce bonus sizes. I didn't mention that, but they are, both of them. This is the Power Stick for Her body spray Brazilian mist with notes of pistachio and salted caramel. This matches the body scrub, the body wash that I have already. Okay, I love it. And they had another one, but I think Paradise Breeze is my favorite, I think. I don't know, I love them both. But $1.25, you've got to be kidding me. Then Melvin found this by Tool Bench. It was a $5 hex key set, metric, star, and SAE. Look at that, it feels really nice. So he wanted to get this, and I think he will probably enjoy this immensely. Oh, there they are on the end. Oh yeah, okay, I see. These are just the regular Allen wrenches, and then they have the star Allen wrench right there, and then they have the metric. Oh, it says right here metric, star, and SAE, and I bet SAE is for the United States or America. I don't know, but he picked those up, so they feel like good quality. Have to let you know why he thought of that. Then I couldn't resist these little bunny tails. You get 12 pieces. You could make garland with that. You could use it in scrapbooking, junk journaling, anything like that. I thought that was a good deal. Then I picked up by Be Pure the concentrated facial serum with hyaluronic acid, and you get 10 biodegradable capsules. So I thought I would give that a try and report back. If you've tried it, let me know. And then I just saw these favor boxes for like babies, like baby showers. I only saw it in blue, but I thought, oh, you could do a lot with something like that if you junk journal or anything like that. Then I picked up some playing cards because I really love to play rummy. At $1.25, I'm all the time losing them, so I have this. And then this, I found this. Isn't this beautiful? That would make a beautiful planter. Put some flowers or some greenery in there. Definitely looks like you paid more than $1.25. And if you wanted, you could even embellish it further with clay. Then I was really excited to see this book, Shimmer and Shine Workshop. Create art that sparkles, okay? And I don't see a regular price. They covered it all up, but let me just show you a few pages. This is what really, and it shows you how to do it. What really caught my eye was foil rub-on ephemera. It shows you how to make it. I just thought that looked so good. But they have all kinds of stuff in here, as you saw, and it shows you how to do it. So I thought for $1.25, it shows, it's all about transfer foil, methods for working with and without heat, techniques for creating on a variety of surfaces, paper, wood, fabric, glass, and more. It's 30 plus step-by-step art tutorials. This is a win. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. So let me go get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. Were you on the couch with Daddy? She says, I'm thinking about it. She said, I'm just not talking today. I am not talking. I am pouting right now. So until next time, bye guys.